Hey there, what's up? How's it going? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm taking you through an ovulatory phase workout that is perfect for building that booty, baby. So if you are ready, go ahead and take out your bands. You are going to need an extra heavy one. Your colors may vary. Mine is black. You are going to need a light one, and then you are going to need an extra light one. So gather your bands and meet me back on the mat. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do so now by clicking that red subscribe button, and also hit the bell to be notified every time I post a new video on menstrual cycle health and fitness. And if you don't know me yet, hey, my name is Omega Zumpano. I'm an exercise scientist and menstrual cycle educator. And this is one of my clients who, after 2 months of my program, felt confident enough to buy her first bikini after having her baby. And if you are ready to build that confidence as well, let's get started. So we're gonna start with your extra heavy band. Mine is black, yours might be a different color, don't worry about it. And you are going to loop that around just above your knees. Come flat on your back, make sure that there's no arch in your back. So pull your belly button in towards your spine. Imagine your ribs on the bottom coming together, and you're going to bring your feet just so that your little fingers can tickle them. And when you're ready, you are going to thrust your hips up and then push out on that band for a thruster. Bring your knees back together in neutral and then come straight back down. So we're warming up those glutes right now. Up, push out, together, and down. Up, push out, together, and down. Up, squeeze those glutes, push out, together, and down. And we'll do 15 of these. Right now we're at number 6, and down. And a lot of people tend to have their big toes come up when you thrust out. Make sure that your big toes stay stamped against the mat. And we're at number 9. Push out, together, and down. Thrust up, push out, together, and down. We'll do 3 more. Push out, together, and down. Up, push out, together, and down. Last one. Up, push out, together, and straight back down. From here, you're gonna keep that band on and give me one crunch, just one. Pull your belly button in towards your spine and crunch all the way up. And now you're gonna stand up. We will do some crab walk. You're gonna start on the right side of your mat. So I'm gonna have you take a quarter squat first. This is my quarter squat right here. So get in that same position, quarter squat, and I want you to remain tension on the band the entire time. So from here, I want you to take a big step out with your left foot. Big step out, and then keep pushing out on that band. Little step in with the right foot. Big step out with the left, little step in. And we're gonna go back and forth across the mat 3 times each. Big step out, little step in. Big step out, little step in with the left now. Big step out. Keep tension on that band and keep yourself in a quarter squat. Little step in, big step out, little step in. Last one on this side, big step out and little step in. Again, so that is one set. We're gonna do that 3 times total. This is number 2. Big step out, little step in. Sink a little bit deeper into that squat now. Make sure that you're pulling your belly button in towards your spine so that you protect your low back, and make sure to stick your butt out so that you get maximal contraction and maximal benefit there. Big step out, little step in. And this is our last time across the mat. So we'll do one more full walk across the mat. Crab walks, pull the belly button in towards the spine. Big step out, little step in. Last time on this side, and back there. I got flies flying all over my eyeballs. They're seeking moisture right now. It's the middle of the summer here. And last one. Go ahead, stand up. Bring your feet together and just wiggle that band off. From here, you can set this band to the side, and we're going to do backward lunges. 20 backward lunges total, so step to the top of your mat, and you're going to step back with one leg, doesn't matter which one you start with, and bring that back knee towards the ground. Make sure that your front knee isn't going beyond your toe. Make sure that you're feeling the contraction and the stretch in the glute of the forward leg, okay? Together, just like that. Back, checkpoints, knee, glute. Feel the stretch in the glute, knee is behind the toe, and together. Back, this is number 3, and together. Let's pick up the pace. Down and together. Right foot back, down and together. So continue pulling your belly button in towards the spine. And I really want you to think about the glute of whichever leg is forward as you're doing this, especially when you come back up, because not only is that going to aid in balance, that's also going to give your brain that brain to body connection to help you build more neuromuscular connection in general. More neuromuscular connection means more muscle tissue. Let's go for 3, together, 2, together, last one. Awesome job. From here, grab your light band, not your extra light one, but your light one. Mine is blue. And we're gonna put this right around our ankles. Right there. And then you're going to strap, like a stirrup, that band right underneath your right foot. From here, we're going to do kickbacks. So bring that right foot slightly behind you, hands on your hips, bend forward slightly, just at a 45-degree angle. And from here, we are going to do kickbacks. So kick back on that band and then come on forward. Kick back, squeeze the glute of that leg and forward. Kick back, it's like you're pushing a box behind you. Kick back, straight leg, and kick back. We're gonna do 10 of these, that's number 3. 4, remember, breathe out against movement. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, pull the belly button in towards the spine, and 10. Bring that foot back, and then you'll strap that band around your ankle and then do the same thing with the left foot. So get that stirrup on. So again, that's right in the arch of the left foot. Hands on your hips, 45-degree bend, slight bend in the forward knee. Kick back and come forward. 10 of these on this side. You can even put your hand on your glute to make sure that you're contracting. Foot is flexed, pushing back. This is number 4, 5, 6. Breathe everything out as you push against the movement. 7, 8, 9. Last one is 10. Go ahead, bring that foot back, and you can just wiggle that band off. Now we'll take a little rest break. Go ahead, grab a drink of water, and if you are feeling the activation in your glutes, go ahead, press that like button and tell me in the comments. I want you to have a full rest break, so we're gonna spend about 30 or 45 seconds here, and I will tell you that doing these workouts in your ovulatory phase is highly, highly effective, because in the ovulatory phase, our muscles are using sugar and fat differently. So because of that, we have more muscle building and muscle recovering ability in this phase. Estrogen helps recover muscle tissue. Our estrogen is highest in this phase. It also helps build muscle tissue as well as its counterpart, testosterone. So you are doing wonders for your body by doing this workout. So don't give up yet. Let's get into the next exercise. We're gonna do some squat jumps now, my friends. And if you have sensitive knees, you can simply squat down and then come to your tippy toes, okay? So squat jumps. We're starting in a squat position. I want you to be about at 90 degrees. And from this position, your hands are gonna come back. And as we come up, your hands are gonna come right in front of your eyeballs. Okay, so let's do one practice, one together. Hands come back, and then hands are right in front of your eyeballs. Let's go. Boom. So that's our practice round. And we're landing right back in a squat. And up. This is number 1. And 2. Breathe out. 3. Breathe fully in as you come down and out. 4, 5, 6, 7, you can do it. 8, 9, and 10. Awesome job. Remember, land in that squat and then come back up, because when we land in the squat, our booty really likes that. Next exercise we're gonna do, we're gonna take that light band and do lateral pulses, 10 on each side. So for this one, wrap this band right around your ankle. And you'll take a wide stance, hands on your hips, shift your weight to your left side, bring your right foot up. Lateral pulses right here. Just bring the leg out to the side and then back down. Super chill exercise after those squat jumps, right? Out to the right and straight back down. Make sure it's going straight. Take a peek, point your foot. We're getting activation through that whole leg. This is a great exercise for that side glute. That side booty though aids in stability, aids in activation of your core as well. So pull your belly button into your spine for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Such a Jane Fonda move. Back down on your right side, same thing on the left side. Pick that left foot up, point it. We're getting activation through the whole leg. Side booty exercise. Lateral pulses, 1, 2, 3. And you might find that your stability is different hip to hip, and that's okay. I know mine is. 4, 5, 6. Pull your belly button in towards your spine. The stronger the glutes, the stronger the core. 8, 9. Last one is 10. Well done. Last exercise we're gonna do are those kickbacks again. We always want to end with easier exercises because those help, quote unquote, burn out the muscle. So make sure to get protein and carbohydrate after this workout, my friends. I know I will. We are bending down at a 45-degree angle. We started with the right foot last time, so let's start with the left. Bend over to your right side. Get your left foot in a little stirrup there. Bend at that 45-degree angle and kick back for 1. Feel that glute contract. 2, 3, pull the belly button in towards the spine. 4, 5, foot is flexed. 6, 7, we're going for 12, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, last one is 12. Wrap that band right around that left ankle and get that right foot and a little stirrup. Take that 45-degree bend again and kick back for 1. Squeeze that glute. 2, I don't know about you, I'm pretty shaky right now. 3, 4, flex that foot. 5, 6, you're halfway there. Great job. 7, 8, 9, last one, or not last one, we got 2 more. 11 and 12. Woo! Great job today. I hope you enjoyed this workout. If you did, go ahead, press that like button. And if you want to consistently feel strong, vital, and healthy in your body, I would love to help you get there. Book a free call with me using the link in the description below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel to get the latest on how to get fit, understand your hormones, and reduce PMS the holistic way. And if you want to stay on a roll, make sure you check out this ovulatory phase workout next. It's a full body workout, or you can do this luteal phase workout if you're heading towards the luteal phase. Either way, I will see you in there, my friends. Bye.